Every chocolate journey begins where cocoa trees meet the morning light. Only perfectly ripened pods are chosen by skilled hands. Inside each pod lies the raw soul of chocolate. Harvested pods are quickly prepared for extraction. From the fields, the cocoa begins its journey forward. Every journey begins with careful loading, ensuring beans arrive intact. Through winding roads, the harvest travels toward transformation. Every mile brings us closer to the heart of chocolate making.
The harvested beans are now at the threshold of transformation.
With care and precision, the beans enter the first stage of processing.
The factory stands ready, a gateway where cocoa transforms into chocolate.
Every entry is carefully monitored to maintain quality and safety.
The conveyor carries the harvest straight to the heart of production. Step by step, cocoa beans enter the environment where transformation begins. Every bean passes through rigorous cleaning before processing begins. Debris is separated, leaving only the finest beans for chocolate. Skilled hands ensure that only perfect beans continue their journey. Precise measurements prepare the beans for the heart of chocolate making. Clean, sorted, and measured, the beans now move toward roasting. Roasting unlocks the rich flavors hidden within each cocoa bean.
Cooled to perfection, the beans are ready for the next step.
The transformation begins as roasted beans become rich cocoa mass.
Careful blending balances flavor, texture, and aroma for premium chocolate. From mixing to conching, the chocolate's journey continues toward perfection. Conching smooths the chocolate, refining flavor and texture. Every fold and tear intensifies the chocolate's silky richness.
Refining ensures every bar melts perfectly on the tongue.
Tempering gives chocolate its smooth texture and shiny finish.
From paste to perfection, chocolate is ready for precise shaping.
Precision machines shape chocolate with exacting consistency.
Cooling locks in texture, giving chocolate its perfect snap.
Advanced sensors ensure every piece meets the highest standards.
Automation maintains speed without sacrificing quality.
Shaped and cooled, chocolate now advances toward its final polish.
Polishing enhances the chocolate's sheen, making every bar irresistible.
Artistic details add both beauty and character to each piece.
Controlled cooling preserves every detail and flavor of the chocolate.
Precision checks guarantee uniformity in every chocolate bar.
With finishing complete, chocolate is ready for quality verification and final packaging. Every batch is sampled to guarantee flawless quality.
Check the temperature at 35 degrees.
Controlled melting reveals the chocolate's perfect texture.
Technology and human expertise combine to uphold perfection.
Only chocolate passing the strictest tests moves forward for packaging.
Boxes are packed efficiently, ready for storage and delivery. Automation ensures secure stacking for safe storage and transport. Careful handling ensures chocolate reaches its destination intact.
Stored under precise conditions, chocolate awaits its journey to customers.
And this is how modern factories produce chocolate, from start to finish.